In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a delayed credit in QuickBooks Online. A delayed credit is useful when you want to track a customer credit now, but apply it to an invoice later. Instead of reducing a balance immediately, it stays available until you're ready to use it. This can help keep your records organized and make customer account activity easier to follow. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the New button, often shown as Plus New, and click it to open the list of transaction options. From there, select Delayed Credit. This opens the form where you'll enter the details of the customer credit you want to save for later use. The first thing to do on this screen is choose the correct customer. Make sure you select the customer account that should receive the credit, since this determines where the delayed credit will be stored and later applied. Next, enter the delayed credit date. This is the date QuickBooks will use for the transaction in your records, so it's a good idea to make sure it matches the timing of the credit you're issuing. If your QuickBooks setup uses locations, you can also select the appropriate location at this stage. This part is optional, but it can be helpful for businesses that track sales or credits by branch, office, or store. After that, move down to the product or service section and choose the item that the credit applies to. Then enter the quantity and the amount for the credit. Be sure to review these details carefully so the credit reflects the correct value. Accuracy here is important, especially if the delayed credit will later be connected to an invoice. If needed, you can add a memo to include extra notes about the reason for the credit. You can also attach supporting documents if your workflow requires additional backup, such as internal reference files or customer-related records. These optional details can be helpful later when you need to review the transaction. Once everything looks correct, choose either Save and Close or Save and New. Save and Close will store the delayed credit and return you to the previous screen. Save and New will save your current entry and immediately open a blank delayed credit form so you can create another one. And that's all it takes to create a delayed credit in QuickBooks Online. Take a final moment to confirm the customer, date, product or service, quantity, and amount before saving, so your records stay clean and accurate. Thanks for watching.